Are you craving homemade pizza? Let's make a delicious pizza from scratch that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's start by making the dough, which is the base of our recipe. First, grab a large bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. This will help the dough rise and give it a nice, airy texture. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Now, slowly pour in 3/4 of a cup of warm water. The water should be warm to the touch but not hot, as too much heat can kill the yeast. Using your hands or a wooden spoon, mix the ingredients until they start to come together and form a dough. Continue mixing until all the flour is incorporated and the dough is smooth and elastic. This process may take a few minutes, but it's crucial for developing the dough's structure. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and stretchy. Cover the dough and let it rise for 30 minutes or until it has doubled in size. While the dough is rising, prepare your toppings. Slice your favorite vegetables, grate some cheese, and get your tomato sauce ready. Roll out the dough into a circle and transfer it to a pizza pan or baking sheet. Spread a layer of tomato sauce, add your toppings, and sprinkle generously with cheese. Start by preheating your oven to a high temperature of 475 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equal to 245 degrees Celsius. This high heat is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy crust and ensuring that the toppings cook evenly. Once the oven is preheated, carefully place the prepared pizza on the middle rack. This position allows for optimal heat distribution, making sure that both the top and bottom of the pizza cook uniformly. As the pizza bakes, you'll notice the crust starting to turn golden brown. Keep an eye on the cheese as well. It should be melted and bubbly, with some spots taking on a delicious golden brown hue. This process usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes, but it's always a good idea to check it a minute or two earlier to prevent overcooking. Once the pizza looks perfect, carefully remove it from the oven using oven mitts and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Slice and enjoy your homemade pizza, perfect for a cozy meal or dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious food videos. We post new recipes every week. Plus, subscribe for a chance to win weekly prizes. By subscribing, you won't miss out on our latest culinary creations, from mouth-watering appetizers to decadent desserts. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the best of home cooking, with easy-to-follow instructions and tips to make your meals unforgettable. Not only will you have access to our vast library of recipes, but you'll also be the first to know about our cooking contests and live cooking sessions. Imagine being part of a community of fellow food lovers who share your passion for cooking and baking. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now and join us on this delicious journey. And remember, every subscription is one step closer to winning amazing weekly prizes. Happy cooking!